Hi, I'm Andy from a very wet Howard's used car centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Kia Proceed. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got DAB digital radio, CD player, Bluetooth. There's also air conditioning, cruise control, and the car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This is a two-owner vehicle that comes with a 1 litre petrol engine, and this has 98 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. It has done under 23,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.